Right, guys, welcome back. It's day 2 of the journey, and today we are going to crack open a pack of Vivid Voltage. And this set is famous for amazing Rainbow Rare Pikachu, so let's see if we get lucky today. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, that helps me a lot. And let's go. Electros, Psychic Energy, Swoobat, Excadrill, Macargo, Whooper! Oh, it's taking a bath. Galarian Meowth, Cottony, Arokuda. We're already there, we're almost there. Nincada, and Zapdos Reverse. Yep, we didn't pull anything, but follow for more.